Should we clone animals or humans? In this project, I'll be talking about if cloning is ethical or not. The main technology used for reproductive cloning is called somatic cell nuclear transfer, or SCNT. First, scientists will transfer genetic material from an adult's nucleus into an egg without a nucleus. Then, the scientists will transfer these eggs into a surrogate mother. The two main views of cloning is either you believe people and animals should be cloned or you think they should not. This is a very controversial topic because SCNT cloning can be used for good, like when cloning endangered species, but the success rates are very low. On the topic of human cloning, it is seen as very controversial because it questions the definition of procreation and if children will be seen as products and not unique human beings. Cloning started as far back as 1885 with the use of reproducing sea urchins all the way to Dolly the sheep, the first mammal created by somatic cell nuclear transfer. The topic of cloning picked up speed when the first mammal, Dolly the sheep, was created from cloning in 1996. The media focuses a lot on the new animals being reproduced, like the recent cloning of a monkey in China. In the Dolly study, the scientists did nuclear transfer with 277 eggs. Only 29 embryos were implanted into surrogate mothers, and from those 29 mothers, only Dolly was born. Even Keith Campbell and Ian Wilmut, some of the leading scientists for the Dolly experiment, agreed human cloning was a bad idea. There have been many failed attempts at cloning animals, and it hasn't been tried on humans yet. In 2007, 100 cloned embryos of monkeys were implanted into 50 female monkeys, and none of them had a viable pregnancy. In the future, reproductive cloning can be used to fulfill the dream of people having children. Cloning in other forms like stem cell cloning can bring people cells that are needed to supply brain cells, like in the case of Alzheimer's. This is also just an interesting field of study for biologists and the possibility of creating organisms asexually. Thanks for watching!